Good morning friends, welcome back. Today's recipe is again another simple one with moringa leaves. I have some leftover from the bunch I bought recently. They actually stay good in the refrigerator for a very long time. I try using them in all the recipes, all the curries that I bake. So today I thought the last batch I will make moong dal with these leaves. It's a simple and easy recipe. You can make this and enjoy with fulkas. So let's check it out and get started. Here are the ingredients that we will require. Soaked moong dal 1 cup. Wash it and then soak it for a couple of hours. Moringa leaves, separate them from the stem and wash them thoroughly before using. Coriander leaves, handful. 1 onion. 1 tomato. 1-inch piece of ginger, garlic about 5 to 6 cloves, green chillies 2, then basic spices we have chilli powder half teaspoon, turmeric powder half teaspoon, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, cumin powder half teaspoon and salt to taste. Oil about 6 tablespoons. I am using gingerly oil which is usually used in South India. Asafoetida 1/8 teaspoon, dry red chillies 2 and mustard seeds 1 teaspoon. These are for tempering. And also 1 sprig of curry leaves. The list is also provided in the description box for your reference. Now let's begin. First heat 4 tablespoons of oil in a pan. If you don't have gingerly oil, you can use any oil. Add sliced onions, followed by ginger and garlic. Toss them a bit. Once the ginger and garlic gets cooked, add the green chilies, cover and simmer. Intermittently keep mixing until it becomes translucent. Now add the tomato. This is a very simple preparation. Cover and simmer until the tomato becomes soft. Now you can add the salt and spice powders. Quantity depends on your preference. You can add more or less as you like. Mix them well. You can increase the quantity of green chilies as well. I'm adding little bit of water, about 1 cup, and we'll allow them to simmer on low flame. All the flavors are infused into the onion and tomato mixture. Now time to add the moringa leaves. Wash them very well couple of times under running water. Put them in a sieve and wash. Add them to this mixture. Cover and let them cook on low flame. Moringa leaves are very nutritious. After 2 minutes, open the lid and stir them again. If you get them ever, you must try adding them to your diet. Now goes in the soaked moong dal. Whenever I find moringa leaves, I make lot of recipes with them. I've already posted many of them. I'll be sharing the
playlist link. You can check them out. Now give them all a nice mix. Moong dal gets cooked very fast. Add again 1 cup of water. I'm going to make the dry version, so I'm adding only 1 cup. If you are making with gravy, if you want to serve it with rice, liquidy dal, then you add 2 cups of water. Cover and simmer on low flame. If you are using tur dal or any other lentils, you can pressure cook them as well. After a few minutes, give it a stir. It's nearly done, little more to go. Check the doneness. As I said, little bit of cooking is left. Moong dal is ready very fast in a jiffy. Also at this stage you can check the salt. Add if it is required. Add some coriander leaves. They give a lovely flavor to any dish. Give it a mix, and on very low flame you can simmer it for a couple of minutes. Now time to add the tadka. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a small pan. Add the mustard seeds and hing or Asafoetida. I'm adding a generous pinch. It enhances the flavors and it's also good for digestion. Once the mustard seeds start crackling, add the red chillies. Finally, some curry leaves. Give them a toss and add them to the prepared dal with moringa leaves. Delicious dal with moringa leaves is ready. I'm going to serve it with rotis. As I mentioned earlier, if you are serving with plain rice, then you can increase the quantity of water. Quick and easy, homely recipe, comforting dal. It's very flavorful and very nutritious. So do give it a try if you find some moringa greens. And do check out the other moringa recipes as well. Thanks for watching. Here are some videos from the archives. Have a look at them too. Take care. Have a nice day. Bye bye.